If this video has reached you, then the universe is trying to communicate something important to you. Stop trying to be the person that you were. That's in the past. Because who you are and who you're stepping into is completely different. Who you were in the past, beautiful, but it's not gonna get you to where you wanna go. Because as you release all the things that aren't you, as you heal, then better things become available to you. You have different preferences. So if you're able to meditate perfectly in the past and that worked for you, and right now you're having a hard time meditating, don't beat yourself up for it. That's normal, because you know what? What if your form of meditation changes to where in the past it might be an hour, closed eyes, trying to meditate, and then what if now your meditation is spending time with animals, or your meditation is taking a jog or a run in the morning, and it does the same thing. It clears your mind, brings you to a place of peace, and that's the new routine for you moving forward. So stop holding on to who you were in the past and embrace the countless opportunities of who you are going to be in the future. Love yourself for it, don't judge yourself, and watch your life change because of it.